Hey everyone, Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com taking a look at the all-new Cadillac XT6. This is a 3-row SUV. It's built along that XT5, XT4 platform. This is obviously the larger one, and it sits right above the XT5. You can kind of see that design language carrying over. The back end is a little bit boxed off compared to the XT5, but with that you get a 3rd row with somewhat decent seating. The headroom is expanded a little bit, so you can fit some adults back there. There are 2 trim levels. There's the premium luxury, and then there's also the sport, and with those you get a few different features, but both of them are powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. On the interior of the premium luxury, you're going to find exotic wood decor, and on the sport, you're going to find a carbon fiber trim. Inside, you're going to find a 14 custom-tuned speaker Bose Performance Series sound system. There are also automatic heated and ventilated front seats and a heated 2nd row for the rear outboard seats. You're also going to find an automatic heated steering wheel. Now, in terms of convenience features, there's quite a few. There's adaptive cruise control, there's night vision, and when you put your phone in, if you have an Android phone, you'll have NFC phone pairing, and you also get wireless charging if your phone supports that. There's an HD surround vision camera, so you get that nice 360 view while backing up. And there's an illuminated Cadillac Crest hands-free liftgate, so when you approach the rear of the vehicle here, it will automatically open for you. You also have keyless open and adaptive remote start. The 3rd row, which is really the centerpiece of the XT6, is a power 3rd row, and that is standard, so you're going to be able to control the 3rd row easily using buttons located in the back, and you can also use buttons in that same location to fold down the 2nd row. With the seats all folded down, you do have a pretty flat back end, so you're going to be able to do a little bit of cargo hauling with this vehicle. There's some cool tech features built in. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There's wireless charging built in the front. There's also 6 USB ports. There's a mix of your standard USB as well as USB-C. This is a hands-free tailgate, so you're going to be able to walk up with your keys in your pocket and the tailgate will open up.
You'll be able to place an order for the XT6 this spring, and exact pricing and release details will be available soon.
Thanks for joining me to take a look at the all-new Cadillac XT6. If you found this video useful, give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.